Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying out something I'm kind of nervous about because I don't know where it came from, honestly, like what country it was made in. I think it's supposed to be a Korean beauty care kind of product, but I'm not sure. But we'll read some claims and stuff when I get to the product. But before we jump into this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell. That way you guys are notified every time I do upload. And without further ado, let's jump in and see what I am testing out today. Okay, so you guys are pretty zoomed in, and it's not eye makeup or anything. It's actually so you can see like everything on my face, because we are going in with this primer. I've seen it all over like Instagram and Facebook, and it's called, I guess the actual name is W-Airfit Pore Primer, and this is supposed to be like, I mean, the best primer ever. It's literally supposed to just erase everything off your face. And some claims on it, I did get it off eBay, and this is kind of what one of the pictures look like on it, is this. So it's supposed to be like this just magical primer. Let me see if I can find another picture that supposedly shows just how amazing it's supposed to be. This is another before and after. I don't know if my camera will pick up on any of the pictures. So I zoomed this one in a little bit just so you guys can see, but it supposedly is like, I mean, vanishes everything to where it looks like you're wearing a filter. But it's like I said, I think it's from like Korea or maybe China, I don't know. But I did order this like months ago, so it shouldn't have any coronavirus on it. But it says hydrating benefits, lightweight foundation treatment that boosts radiance to leave skin silky smooth. This multi-purpose primer with slight pink hue conceals your skin imperfections, creating a smooth skin texture. Hope you're right. I hope you're right. So the item description on it, because I got it off of eBay because that's literally the only place like I could find it. It says concealer, invisible pores, brighten skin tone, an indispensable assistant to makeup foundation. Due to the difference between different monitors, the pictures may not reflect the actual color of the item. Ooh. So I am a little nervous to use it on my skin, but we're just gonna go for it. So this is the packaging that it does come in. It says made in Korea like right there on the box. So I'm guessing it is like a Korean kind of beauty thing because everything is like in a different language. So, but I know there's been like a bunch of hype on Korean beauty. So maybe it's not as bad as I think it is. But I'm just eager to test it out because it's supposed to be like this amazing kind of primer that will erase all this nonsense. This is what the actual tube looks like. I mean, it's just, you know, kind of like your average kind of primer. And it doesn't really say, well, it says something on the back. It's just in Korean, so I can't read that to you guys. And like I say in pretty much every single video, if you hear any noises, it's definitely the bulldog, so ignore that. Oh, I'm so nervous. I just don't know about it. So it is like a little squeezy tube. Doesn't smell like anything. It smells kind of like just lotion. It looks like that. It's like a pink consistency. I don't know how much you're supposed to go in with. So, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Ooh. So let's get like a before. You can see pretty much every little thing on my face. And this is supposed to just erase it. Ooh, nervous. I mean, it kind of just feels like a lotion, I guess I would say. Okay, I mean, I don't see anything magical happening, honestly. Yeah, no, like, pores are still there. There's no kind of like blurring effect really, like at all. So don't really see what all the hype is about. It gives you kind of like a nice little glow. That kind of sucks. Like, I really was hoping like it would just be like this amazing kind of primer, but I don't really see a difference like at all. This is just, I had high hopes for this, but it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing special, like, at all. It kind of sucks. Yeah, I mean, I still see, like, every kind of, like, anything on my face. It doesn't do anything. Like, what the crap? This, just total pass on this. Total pass. This, it's not doing anything. Like, I don't know, it makes my skin feel kind of oily. Ooh. I mean, I'm just, this is disappointing. Like, it doesn't do anything. So I'm just like, nothing? They're gonna do, like, anything? Any kind of blurring? Nothing. Well, that was a bust. So I am just gonna go in with my normal foundation, the Tarte Face Tape, and it is in 22 Light Neutral. I just got a little baby bottle right now, so when I run out, I'll get it like a bigger one. Yeah, still no magic blurring effect. This is my foundation on, and here's like, let me get up close so you can kind of like see everything. It's not doing like anything whatsoever. So, huge pass on that. But I'm going to jump off camera and go do the rest of my makeup and come back, and we'll kind of do another kind of like close up to kind of see if anything's changed. I doubt it, but whatever. So I will be right back. Okay, all the makeup is done now, and I do have to say, I mean, I don't think anything is like blurred out. I mean, I think it just looks like my normal skin. Like, I mean, with any other kind of like primer or makeup on. So, I mean, this is up close. I mean, you can still see like some of my scarring and stuff. And over here is the same way. But, I mean, I don't think it's terrible, but I don't think like it does anything different than like my normal primers do. So, I mean, I probably won't use it again just because like I'm not too sure about the ingredients in it, and I have really sensitive skin. So, probably going to have to pass on that one. But, I mean, it was just like a lot of rave about it. So, I just decided to try it. And I just don't think that it's for me. But, I mean, feel free to go try it for yourself. But I wouldn't run out and buy it. It's not expensive. It's like, I don't know. I think I paid like $5 or $6. So, it does take a while to get here because it is from Korea. But, I mean, I wouldn't say go run out and try to get it, because I don't think it does anything special for you. But I will leave all of my products that I used on my face today down in the description box. My poor bulldogs won't stop it. Come here. Oh, dang it. He wanted some attention like so bad, but then I get him up here and he's like terrified. And now Stewie's like begging for attention. This is Enzo. He's 3. He hates being picked up, as you can see the fear in his eyes. But he's my big boy. He's my big one. It's my number 1, my firstborn. You want down now? And of course, this is my little gremlin. This is Stewie. He's a lot tinier than Enzo. Oh, now you want back up here. He's a lot tinier than Enzo. So, guess if there was such thing as a miniature Frenchie, this is what Stewie would be. But he's 1 and he weighs like 20 pounds. I know, big man. He weighs like 20 pounds and Enzo weighs 30. So, but yeah, I guess stay tuned for my next video. But before you guys leave, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And also go check me out on Facebook and Instagram. I will leave that linked in the description box as well. And I will leave all the products that I used. But yeah. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye, guys.